The market is noisy right now. Every development vendor says they use AI. What actually separates them is this. Some vendors restructured how they build software around AI, and some just added a service page and called it AI delivery. This video ranks 5 U.S. companies on verified delivery practices, clutch-backed client records, and documented production outcomes, not marketing claims. So how do you tell an AI-native vendor from an AI-adjacent one? 4 signals. First, workflow integration. Can they actually show you the delivery workflow with the exact points where AI tooling touches the sprint? Second, production rate. What share of their AI builds from the last year actually reached production, not just a demo? Third, life after launch. Do they run real MLOps for monitoring and retraining a model, or does production just mean it got handed off to the client? And fourth, velocity, measured. Do they have sprint velocity data from before and after they adopted AI tooling? If they measured it, they meant it. If they didn't, they haven't really committed to it. Number 1 is Inoxoft, an AI and ML full-cycle software development company with over 230 delivered projects, more than 200 engineers, and over a decade in production-grade AI delivery. Here's what sets them apart from most of this list. 80% of their ML models reach production within 3 months, at a time when most ML builds industry-wide stall before deployment. They've measured the gains, too, a 40% jump in development velocity and 30 to 50% shorter code review cycles, because the AI tooling is embedded right at the sprint level, not added as an afterthought. Their AI agent practice deploys custom agents in 1 to 4 weeks, against an industry norm of 2 to 6 months, at roughly a third of the usual build-from-scratch cost. Across more than 15 production deployments, that's translated into 90% demand forecast accuracy and a 25% increase in qualified sales outcomes, alongside generative AI work spanning RAG architectures, fine-tuning pipelines, and production-grade LLM integration. Second is Codal, a digital transformation and UX-focused firm with a clutch-verified client base across enterprise retail, healthcare, and SaaS. Their team builds at the intersection of product strategy, data analytics, and AI, which means AI capabilities get scoped against real user and business outcomes instead of bolted on as a feature. With a design-driven delivery process and a 75,000-plus minimum project size, they're a fit for enterprise buyers who want AI built alongside a broader UX overhaul, not as a standalone add-on. Third is Chetu, a U.S.-headquartered custom software firm with over 2,800 engineers and 82 verified clutch reviews, one of the deeper review histories on the platform. Their delivery spans healthcare, retail, logistics, financial services, and education, with AI integration available across their entire service portfolio. If you need a large-capacity vendor that can build AI features into complex, multi-system environments at a competitive price, Chetu's scale and review history make them worth a look. Fourth is Velvetech, an AI and data engineering firm with 22 clutch-verified reviews, specializing in custom software, automation workflows, and machine learning integration. Their reputation is built on meticulous, structured delivery, and clients consistently mention organized project management and proactive suggestions to improve scope. Their AI practice leans toward real-world automation and data pipeline engineering, things like demand forecasting and process automation, rather than customer-facing LLM features, which makes them a strong fit for operations-focused teams building internal AI tools. And fifth is Appinventiv, a technology company with over 1,500 engineers delivering digital products and AI solutions across retail, healthcare, real estate, and fintech. With more than 100 verified clutch reviews and a strong AI and ML practice, they bring serious delivery capacity to businesses that need AI features built quickly and at scale. Their AI work spans custom model development, generative AI, IoT AI integration, and predictive analytics, covering both customer-facing and operational use cases. So if you're in a high-growth vertical and need broad AI capacity across several product tracks at once, they're worth evaluating. So here's the shortlist side by side. Inoxoft leads with a perfect 5.0 on Clutch across 74 reviews and the clearest documented production numbers on this list. Codal, Chetu, Velvetech, and Appinventiv each carry their own verified track record, and each one fits a different kind of buyer, from a major UX overhaul to AI at enterprise scale, to internal automation, to broad delivery capacity. The right pick depends on what you're actually building and how fast you need it live. So before you sign with anyone, don't ask if they use AI. Every vendor will say yes. Ask what share of their AI and ML builds from the last year actually reached production. Ask what happens to a model after it ships, whether there's real ML ops behind it or it just gets handed off. And ask if they've got sprint velocity data from before and after adopting AI tooling. Those answers are what separate the vendors who demo well from the ones who actually deliver.